Protein intake basics. No workout, no problem.
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to answer a very popular question. How much protein should I drink if I am not working out? But before we jump into that, it's essential to understand that protein is a vital macronutrient for our bodies, irrespective of our exercise habits.
Why do we need protein?
Proteins are crucial for a wide range of bodily functions. They help in tissue repair, immune function, making hormones and enzymes, and overall growth and development. So, even if you aren't hitting the gym every day, your body still requires a certain amount of protein to function optimally.
How much protein do we actually need?
According to the Dietary Reference Intake, (DRI), by the National Academies of Sciences, Engineering, and Medicine, the recommended dietary allowance, RDA, for protein is 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight for adults. This means, for example, if you weigh 68 kilograms, about 150 pounds, you would need around 54 grams of protein daily. This recommendation is for people who are not significantly active. If you're someone who works out regularly or has a physically demanding job, your protein needs could be higher.
Do I need a protein shake?
If you're consuming a balanced diet, you'll likely meet your protein needs without needing to supplement. Foods like lean meats, dairy products, eggs, and beans are excellent sources of protein. However, if you find it challenging to meet your protein requirements through diet alone, for example, due to dietary restrictions or medical conditions, protein shakes can be a convenient option. But remember, protein shakes are a supplement, not a substitute for a well-rounded diet. Always consult with a healthcare provider or a registered dietitian before starting any dietary supplement regimen. In conclusion, whether you're working out or not, protein is an essential part of our diet. The recommended intake is 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight for adults, but individual needs can vary. Always aim to get your protein from whole food sources first, and consider supplements like protein shakes only if necessary. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding your protein needs. Stay healthy, everyone.